Yo, what's up, everyone? Ever found yourself staring at your bank account, praying there's enough for that last-minute coffee run or that surprise dinner invite? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into Chime's Spot Me feature. How much can you actually get? Can it save your bacon when you're broke? Let's find out. First things first, what is Spot Me? It's basically Chime's fancy way of saying they'll cover your back when you overdraft. Unlike traditional banks that hit you with overdraft fees like a ton of bricks, Chime offers a lifeline. But how much of a lifeline? That's the million-dollar question. The short answer? It depends. Chime isn't handing out unlimited cash like candy. Your Spot Me limit is based on a few factors. Direct deposits: the more you get paid directly into your Chime account, the higher your limit can go. Chime likes to see consistent income. Account age: the longer you've been a Chime member, the more they trust you. Think of it like building credit, but for Spot Me. Spending habits: how you use your Chime card matters. Regular spending and responsible money management can boost your limit. So, how much can you expect? Well, let's break it down. The starting line: when you first sign up for Spot Me, you'll usually start with a small limit, maybe around $20. It's like training wheels for your financial life. Leveling up: as you meet those factors we talked about, consistent deposits, account age, good spending habits, your limit can climb. Some people report limits as high as $200 or even more. It's not guaranteed. Remember, this isn't a fixed amount. Chime reviews your account regularly, and your limit can go up or down based on your financial behavior. Now, Spot Me isn't a free lunch. It's a privilege, not a right. If you consistently overdraft and don't pay it back, Chime might lower your limit or even cut you off entirely. So, use it wisely. Alright, let's talk about how to use Spot Me effectively. Be mindful of your balance. Keep an eye on your account. Spot Me is a safety net, not a crutch. Pay it back. When your next paycheck hits, make sure to cover that overdraft. It's like borrowing from your future self. Build your credit. Spot Me can actually help improve your credit score. By using it responsibly, you're showing lenders you can handle credit. One thing to note: Spot Me isn't available to everyone. You need to meet certain eligibility requirements, like having a Chime checking account and receiving direct deposits. So, is Spot Me worth it? That depends on your financial situation. If you're prone to overdrafts and tired of those pesky fees, Spot Me could be a game changer. But if you're good at managing your money, you might not need it. To sum it up, Spot Me can be a helpful tool for managing unexpected expenses. But it's not a magic money machine. Understand the terms, use it responsibly, and you could benefit from this fee-free overdraft service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.